right, I'm going to show you how to create a citation for a book in a Google document. So the first thing, this is step 15 in this assignment that we're working on right now. We're going to pretend that we're taking a quote out of a book called Life 3.0, Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence, which is an actual book written by Max Tegmark. I'm going to first off take this sentence, which comes out of that book, and I'm going to copy that sentence, and we're going to pretend that that sentence is our quote. So back in your document, at the end of your very last paragraph, so the very last paragraph, just hit your space after that final one and paste it in there. Now this is a quote, so we need to put quotation marks around it, since it is a short quote, and we need to make it look the same as the rest of the paragraph. I'm going to use my painter for that, so I will sit my cursor anywhere in the paragraph. I will click my painter, and I will paint over top of the sentence that needs to look the same. And now you can see that the font is the same. Put your cursor at the end of it because this is where we'll eventually need to put the citation. So I'm going to go back to my instructions. This is the book, Life 3.0, Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence, and it is ISBN number, and that is the number for it there. So if you went to a library and wanted to look up that book, or if you wanted to purchase that book online, you could find it by simply knowing its ISBN number. And we are going to pretend that this quote came off of page 32 as the page number. So for now, I'm going to copy this ISBN number. I want you to copy that. We're going to need it for a search right away. So back in my Google Doc, I am going to use my citation maker. So Tools, Citations. I need to add a citation source. This time it is a book, so make sure it says book. And accessed by, let's pretend we actually used the book. We went to a library, we got that book out of the library, we used its print edition, and now I'm going to search with the ISBN number by pasting that number in there and saying search. Up comes the book. You can see there's the title, the publisher, the year, and the author. I'm going to hit my continue button. It has grabbed the information that it needs. So it's put in the author, Max Tegmark. It has put in the title, the publisher, the date. If there was an edition or a volume or a short title or a DOI number, then we could put those in. But I'm going to add this as a source. And now you can see it's there with my last source that I did from my last quote that we did together. So here is Mark Tegmark. There is the book. I am now going to make sure that I'm sitting right here in the right spot at the end of my paragraph. And I'm going to choose my Cite button right here. And it's done, and it gives us this little reminder that says replace the number sign with the page numbers. So right there, I'm going to say that this quote came off of page 32, just like that. And that's how you'd make a citation.